In the PandemicClean project experiments, it was discovered that in 35% of cases, surfaces were actually dirtier after cleaning. The surfaces were visibly clean, but measurements revealed the actual truth. It turned out that the dirt had been spread on the surface, creating surface soiling. Surface soiling can also be visible. If there is a layer of dirt on the surface, you can use your foot to draw on the floor, or your finger to draw on glass. The project revealed that the surface soiling exists long before it is visible to the eye. For example, if you look at a toilet wall with a UV lamp and you can see wiping marks, the dirt has been spread. Microorganisms thrive on such a layer, which acts as a kind of glue that secures the subsequent dirt. How is it possible that instead of cleaning, the surface gets dirtier? It is cleaned with wet methods, and the wet surface is not dried. Cleaning agents are used in excessive amounts, leaving a sticky layer on the surface. A dirty cleaning textile is used. Surface soiling is the result of incorrect cleaning practices. Surface soiling is a problem long before it is visible to the eye.